Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. We are going ahead and getting into how much YouTube pays me. I know you guys have been wanting to see like how much YouTube actually pays me, so I decided to actually screen record it on my laptop to show you exactly how you would see what goes into like how YouTube pays me, where I can view how much I'm estimated to get per month. I'm gonna go over what my first check was. I have now received 3 checks, I think, from YouTube, so I'm gonna tell you how much each of those were. I'm gonna tell you what helps you get that revenue, and yeah, so let's just hop right into it. So before we get into any details about how you would get paid, you need to know the basics first of how you even get monetized. The first step to getting monetized is you are going to need 1,000 subscribers, and 2, you are going to need 4,000 watch time hours. Now the way to track this, I was using this app called YouTube Tracker, which is really good for tracking your updates on how many subscribers you're getting daily, even hourly. I used to track it by the day, and that will show you how many subscribers you're getting overall, how many watch time hours you are getting, and it's a great way and a great tool to use to keep track of all of that. And how you get paid is through Google AdSense. It's not necessarily through YouTube. YouTube is just the partner, but you actually get paid through Google AdSense. You will get this sent in the mail to you. This is what it looks like, and inside you will get something, a code that is going to link to Google AdSense, and you'll enter that to get verified on it. Other than that, it's pretty simple and easy. Everything will come to your email. They will tell you exactly the steps on what to do. So once you have met the criteria of getting monetized and you are able to now be funded and earn income from YouTube, I want you all to make sure that you have everything set up correctly on your YouTube channel. And if you need a video of that, I will link that above right here for you all so you can go check it out. But I do have a video explaining on how to make your YouTube channel a business versus having everything under personal, because it can get a little tricky when it comes to time to claim your taxes, and I don't want to put that in this video since this is not about that today, but I will, like I said, link that video above for you all so you can go check that out. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the juicy part. So right now I am in YouTube Studio, and I am going to actually click into analytics. So I'm in analytics right now, and right now my monthly estimated payout for this month, which would be September, which I would not receive September's amount until October 21st or around that time. You get paid from monthly, you get paid monthly, and you get paid at the end of each month, you guys. So just remember that, keep that in mind. I got monetized in April. My first payout was not until June, but I will get to that in a second and tell you all why. So my estimated right now is actually $136.88, I'm sorry. Now that can fluctuate until the end of the month, because that's when everything will stop. But as of right now, I'm doing pretty good, and the month of September isn't even over, but that is my estimated. Right here, I'm going to show you all how much so far this month I have made. Okay, so revenue. So far this month, I have made $90.86, you guys. That is how much right here I have made for September, and that is ongoing. Last month I made $139.15. That's how much I made last month, you guys, and I have not received that check. I will actually be getting it tomorrow or the 21st. I'm recording this on Tuesday, so tomorrow is the 21st. I should be receiving that tomorrow, at the latest the 26th. My first check was in July. Now I got my first check in July, and it was $175 and some change. Now, the reason why it was so much is because it was 2 checks combined. And the reason why I had 2 checks combined is because, as you can see right here, I got monetized in April. So obviously I wasn't making any money yet. So then the next month in May, I had just got monetized, so it was kind of building up. And I think I got monetized towards the end of April, so I didn't really have too much time anyway to build that up. So May, it started building it up, and I put monetization on all of my videos, and I put it all throughout my videos, but that will be a separate video on what I do to get the highest amount of money I can, how to maximize your money off of or per video. I will make a separate video for that because that's not really what we're here for today. Y'all just want to know how much YouTube pays me. So in May, I made $86.74. Now, you have to meet a $100 threshold before they will pay you out. So in May, I did not reach even $90, so I had to wait, and that money was on hold. So then the next month, June, I made $88.41. So it did go up a little bit. It went up about $2. And so then they combined those 2 amounts because now it was obviously over $100, but they had to give me all my money. So they combined it, the 86 with the 88 plus the change, and it came up to like 175 and some change. So that is when I got that money in July. So then for July, I ended up making $116, you guys, and 65 cents. So July's payout I did not get until August. Now, August is when I got the $116.65. So last month I made $139.15. Now, that was quite a jump for me, being as though this is only my 3rd time getting paid. Meowscles is over there if anybody wants to say hi. Say hi, Meowscles. $139, that was quite a big jump for me. It was over $20, you guys. So I was super excited to see that. And I have not even got that check yet, but I'm really, really excited to see that. It has jumped so high. For me, that is very high. The next one is September. September is what we are doing now. So hopefully this video makes me a few more coins. But September, so far, I have made $90.86. Meowscles. Seriously. We are not completely done yet. It does not stop until the end of the month, if I'm not mistaken. I do believe that it stops at the end of every month. But as of right now, it says 90.86. But when I go to the overview of my estimated for the whole month of September, it is saying that they estimate me to make about $136.88. Now, that does fluctuate from day to day. Yesterday, it was $140. Today, it is $136. So you really don't know until the month is over. And then you can see exactly what you'll be getting paid once the next month starts. So as of right now, I think I'm pushing for at least $140 for the month of September. Excuse me. So we'll see how that goes. I'm not really sure, but hopefully I do get that. Now, as of right now, every month I have been getting increases. So I'm super excited for that. I feel like I don't have too many subscribers. At the moment, I have 1,833 subscribers at the moment. So if you want to put a gauge on that, that is about how much you could make. You could probably make more depending on your genre on YouTube. Since I do nails, I feel like this is kind of a nail techs and nail enthusiasts, I feel like, are on the lower spectrum of what we could get paid. I feel like makeup and business, people who do videos of stuff like this non-stop, I feel like they make the most and they are able to gain way more money. Real estate or anything that is like talking about business or money, those types of videos get way more views. You get paid per view. So really your subscribers has nothing to do with this. It does play a little factor because obviously the more subscribers you have, the more likely views you are to get. However, that does not mean that people are actually sitting and watching your videos, you guys. You need those subscribers to actually sit through your videos and watch it. You need them to comment. Stop. You are getting paid. You're getting paid by the views. So 1,000 views will get you a percentage of money. It will give you a price point, and I want you all to see, as of right now, I have, let's go back to analytics, and then let's go to overview. So my views right now are at 12.6 for the last 28 days. Now let's put on the last 7 days. I have 3,000 views within the last 7 days, which to me isn't really a lot compared to plenty other YouTubers, but you have to understand that I am a small YouTuber, and that's pretty average for a small YouTuber of my subscriber point. So like I said, I'm not even at 2,000 subscribers yet, and I'm already getting paid about $100 to $50 per month. So that may be a small number, but you just have to think, like, if I'm at 2,000 subscribers or not even, and I'm already making $100 to $150 per month, could you imagine how much I would make if I get to like 100,000 subscribers per month and I still am pushing out this type of content? You just have to think about that. So you have great potential to make a lot of money doing YouTube. You just have to stay really, really focused and pretty much know what you're doing. Now, another thing that I want to touch on is the types of videos that you're doing. If you are in the nail business, I would highly, highly suggest that you do this. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to go to your analytics, and then I want you to scroll down, and we are going to look at your top content in this period. Now, if you want to look at, I would say the furthest you should go back is 28 days, but if you want to look at the last 7 days, that's pretty cool too. You can do that. So for the last 7 days, my highest viewed content on my page was acrylic overlay, which I did in June. So that was months ago, you guys. That's getting more views still than my last recently uploaded video. Now, my last uploaded video was me testing out 17 different brands of acrylic. So that was very, very popular. That was like a hit on my channel so far. It's already gotten over 400 views within 3 days. So that is pretty good for me with the amount of subscribers that I do have to even view it. So that's pretty decent. And the acrylic overlay was actually one of those videos where I did not expect it to get as many views as it did, you guys. Like, I would have never thought that people really wanted to see acrylic overlay. So what I advise you to do is when you see videos like this, I also have, obviously, this is like my #1 hit video on YouTube. It is my highest viewed YouTube video, which is the $6 acrylics by Dynamic Nail Supply. I feel like that video was so viewed because of my thumbnail, for one. I feel like it drew in a lot of attention. Make sure that your thumbnails are on point, you guys. Like, I promise you, it makes a huge difference, because even when I look at people's thumbnails, I'm like, I'll skip over some if they're boring, honestly. Bright colors bring people in, so make sure that they're bright. If you can take a picture of yourself, make sure that you're taking pictures of yourself, which I really don't ever do. However, I do notice that a lot of people who get a lot of views on their channels are in their thumbnails. So I do feel like putting yourself in a thumbnail is going to grab people's attention a little easier. So I also want to hit on this one right here. I'm gonna scroll down for you all really quickly, and there's another short acrylic overlay. So people like acrylic overlay videos, you guys. If you are doing nails, people like acrylic overlay videos. So, but overall, even if you are not in the nail business, if you are not a nail enthusiast, if you are not doing any type of nail or whatever on your channel, whatever you do on your channel, make sure that you are looking at your top content, because that's what you want to make more of. Like, your top content is what people want to see. It's what is attracting the most, the highest audience, the highest viewers. So, or the highest number of viewers, I'm sorry. And that's what you want to put out. So whatever is bringing in the dough, that's what you want to be making more of, right? Like, if you have a really, really good cake that's selling out, you want to keep making that cake. If you have a cake that's not doing too well, probably put that to the side and we'll come back to that later. But keep making that cake, girl or boy. Keep making that cake. So, yeah, I did want to hit on that. I just want to make sure that y'all understand to look at everything. Don't just look at how much you're getting paid. Don't just like get monetized and don't do your research. There's so much research after you get monetized to do. I did thorough research. Videos like this, I watch all the time from experts. So that's going to help you out tremendously. If you have the time to do it, then do it. If y'all want to see more videos like this, then let me know, because I do have a little bit of insight after doing a lot of research, but I don't know everything. So I am not an expert, you guys. I'm just going off of what I know and what I have experienced through my channel personally. But yeah, you guys, so far we are on the road to making some good money. I feel like even though this is not a super large sum of money, I do want to let you know that obviously I just started YouTube. I have not even been on YouTube for a full year now, and I am already making income. I've been on YouTube for about 9 months now doing nails and nail videos. I'm just now getting the hang of the algorithm of it. I'm just now getting the hang of what is going to bring in more income. So I'm super excited to see where I will be this time next year and how much I will be making compared to right now, and how many more subscribers. So work on your subscribers. Make sure that your content is something that people are going to really enjoy. Make sure that you know how to check on everything. Go to your analytics, look at your revenue, look at how certain videos are doing. Make sure that you are taking advantage of those videos that are doing well and make more of that content. Don't make the same exact thing, but make more of that type of content that people are gravitating towards, and that's what's going to make you more income. So yeah, you guys, I hope this video helped you out tons, and let's see what I make this month. Maybe I'll give y'all an update in the next video. I love y'all so much. Mwah. Bye.